Lecture number 14, explaining the basic nature of amines. In the last lecture we explained which are more basic, the reasons for the same, the basicity of amines in the gaseous state, in the aqueous state, if the alkyl group is methyl, if the alkyl group is the ethyl, everything. In this lecture today, now we will explain the basic nature of aromatic amines, that is aniline. I have written the resonating structure of aniline. It is the example of positive resonance. You know what is the meaning of positive resonance? The displacement of the electron from the group to the ring, that is called as positive resonance. See, you can see from the structure of aniline, नाइट्रोजन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. So if I compare the basicity of aliphatic and aromatic, you can see that nitrogen पे as it has got a positive charge, it is difficult for it to donate electrons. So if I compare the basicity of aliphatic and aromatic amines, definitely the aromatic amines are less basic than the aliphatic amines. That means aliphatic amines are more basic. That is the first point. The next point we go, that is on the left hand side again. See, I have written the structures of aniline on both the sides. On the left hand side I have got the electron donating groups. इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप्स मतलब ये मीथाइल है, इट में बी OCH3, these are all the electron donating groups. And on the other side I have written EWG. EWG मतलब what are they? They are the electron withdrawing groups. They withdraw the electrons. So of course which are more basic? जो ग्रुप नाइट्रोजन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ाता है, the group which increases the electron density on the nitrogen, they are more basic in nature. So obviously you can say that the electron donating groups जो है, they will increase the basicity in case of aniline. That is, when I compare, okay, when I compare aniline and the other compound which is having an electron donating group, obviously the electron donating groups which compounds में existing है, they would be more basic in nature. Exactly opposite, if it is a electron withdrawing group, वो उसका basicity कम करेगा. It will decrease the basicity of aniline. Now next, the electron releasing groups, it will increase the basicity if it is a para isomer. मतलब the para isomers are more basic than the meta isomers. That is the next point I have written over here. It's over here, okay. Next, now see right hand side में मैंने लिखा है, this is CH3. So we can say that CH3 is what? It is the electron releasing group. That will be more basic than aniline, which is less basic than nitro because it is a withdrawing group. The next point is that any group, see listen what I have written, both you can see it is less basic. When I have written CH3 aniline pe and aniline, that is I am speaking about this, okay, I am speaking about this. So this is less basic than aniline. Any group which is present at the ortho position is less basic than aniline. It is less basic than aniline. Reason, it is called as the ortho effect. Ortho effect, it is actually the combination of the steering effect. Steering effect it is called as, that is called as the ortho effect. So because of the ortho effect, any group which is present at the ortho position is less basic than aniline. Ortho effect मतलब it is a combination of steric and electronic factors together, that is called as the ortho effect. So because of which aniline is less basic, okay, that group particular aniline will be more basic than whichever group which is present at the ortho, whether it is the withdrawing or releasing. So that is regarding the last 2 points I have explained. Any group which is present at the ortho position, it may be withdrawing, it may be releasing, donating. So that would be less basic than aniline. So this is all regarding the basicity of aniline. In the next lecture, we will be starting with the reactions of aniline.